happy birthday to me on my special day. Come with the laughing Buddha to the Prime Minister's Museum
of India, of Delhi.
So at this age, of course, these are our places of visit for the birthday
I want to
celebration.
party with the Prime Minister.
With the Prime Ministers, ex-Prime Ministers of India और उसके बाद more and more later. This is a really nice, so well-maintained garden. Wow. Bougainvillea and all other types of roses. So many flowers. Oh wow. Master plan of the place.
इसके मूल रूप में 395 अनुच्छेद और 8 अनुसूचियां हैं, जिनमें बाद के संशोधनों के माध्यम से परिवर्तन किया गया है। वर्तमान में संविधान में 395 अनुच्छेद और 12 अनुसूचियां हैं। भारत के संविधान का प्रारूप तैयार करने के लिए भारत की संविधान सभा का चयन किया गया था। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद संविधान सभा के अध्यक्ष चुने गए, जो बाद में भारत के पहले राष्ट्रपति बने।
This is the original constitution as kept here, and these are the different languages in which the copies are available. All these different languages which you can see. Design. Amazing designs. Amendments to the Constitution. This is the last amendment made in 2021, 105th amendment. So far, 105 amendments have been made to the Constitution, and this is the last one. And now we have come to the new building which has been added. It looks absolutely stunning. 2 फ्लोर है यहाँ पे भी नीचे. अरे वाह, नीचे का गार्डन. नीचे से एंट्रेंस है, ऊपर जाने की एंट्रेंस है. नीचे उतर के. ओके. वाह. Such a nice, well-maintained garden. Being the Sunday, fully crowded. ऊपर की बिल्डिंग क्या सही लग रही है. And now we are going to enter the new building. Wow. This is supposed to be the gallery of Prime Ministers. Smart interactive board. You press on any subject, it will give you the full details what happened during Indira Gandhi's regime. For example, science. So it gave all information. Official Language Act. It gives you all the information about it. Wonderful. Everything has been made so nicely. बहुत ही बढ़िया steps वगैरह जो हैं and very well maintained. ऊपर जाने नीचे आने की along with escalators. Excellent. Very well maintained. We are going in chronological order as they became the Prime Minister of Independent India. All the details are here. Their political career as well as the achievements during their tenure. We come to Chaudhary Charan Singh. This is about Chaudhary Charan Singh. This hall itself looks so nice. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Chandrasekhar, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, also known as Shri VP Singh. Going with all the years down. Every year decade. 51, 52, 53, and every prime minister that was here during this time. Achievements of every year: 56, 57, Hira Kurban, 59. Aarti Saha, we all have heard about it. And here you see in the Hall of Fame in 1959. First Indian, rather first Asian to clear English Channel. Fly Singh, Milkha Singh, 1960, achievement. 1961, IIM Calcutta. 1965, formation of Food Corporation of India. Same year as me, no wonder I'm such a foodie. First Indian Miss World in 1966, Rita Faria. Relation with Grammy Awards, Pandit Ravi Shankar in 1968, way back. Wow. This is what we saw in Rocket Boys. Indian Space Research Organization, developed in 1969. ISRO, Vikram Sarabhai and APJ Abdul Kalam. 1978, first test tube baby, Durga. 1982, color television. This is a clip from Bunyad, I wonder. Yes, Neena Gupta and Alok Nath. Serial is Bunyad. 83, World Cup is ours, and 84, space is ours too. To know Dr. Manmohan Singh, major policies by him. We say bye-bye to our Prime Minister's Museum. धड़ाधड़ सीढ़ियाँ बज रही हैं, 6 बजे बंद होता है. धड़ाधड़ सीढ़ियाँ बज रही है खाली कराने के लिए. भागो. Bye-bye to this beautiful structure. इसकी कमी थी, ये भी दिख गया. मोर आया हुआ है. Now we have come to our old hangout place, Bengali market. Old memories, nostalgia, Bengali market. Now reach Khan market after such a long time, and the place looks totally changed. I mean, this reclining Buddha, such a big one, right on my back. Closer look at the reclining Buddha. Wow. Such a big one. Miniature of that I have at my home. Hashtag New Delhi at Khan Market. Yay! आजो. चलते चलो hashtag New Delhi के साथ.